Hi Kickstarter, I'm Dan, engineer and founder here at Monkey Electric.
The Monkey Light Pro is the world's most advanced bicycle wheel display. You may have seen one of our prototypes at Maker Faire, SIGGRAPH, Dragon's Den, or at a museum. It's got 256 full-color LEDs and can be mounted onto any standard bike wheel. Molded out of solid rubber, the Monkey Light Pro is waterproof and durable. The graphics are stabilized from 10 to 40 miles per hour. While you ride, it makes a stunning, semi-transparent display that is visible from both sides. Use the web interface to organize your images and animations, then download them via Bluetooth wireless. Light up the road and share your message with the world.
This is where we design and manufacture our products. Say hi to Phil.
Hey Kickstarter.
Aaron and Katie. Catherine does sales for Monkey Electric. We were able to build all of this through the success of our last Kickstarter.
The Monkey Light Pro also lets you display your own artwork, logos, and animations. To get you started, we've preloaded an amazing collection of art for you to use. Artists like David Opie and Yoshi Sorioka and more have created artwork specifically for the Monkey Light Pro. Many developers have already done amazing things with our prototypes. The Fukushima Wheel project outfitted a bike with pollution sensors. As you ride around, it collects data from the environment and displays it on the wheels. Now with the success of the Monkey Light 210 and Monkey Light 232, and after 5 years of product development and over 9 different prototypes, we're ready to bring the Monkey Light Pro to market, but we need your help.
Hi, I'm Laurent. I help Dan out with sales and marketing here at Monkey Electric. We asked a couple of our friends what they would do with the Monkey Light Pro, and here's what they came up with.
We're very excited about our Monkey Light Pro and hope you are too. It's truly a unique project. We hand-built a lot of prototypes which have been used in a wide variety of applications. All the footage in this video was shot using the Monkey Light Pro.
From the success of our last Kickstarter, we scaled up our in-house manufacturing and proved our capabilities. Our smaller Monkey Light products are now being sold worldwide and are known for their quality. We'll be making the Monkey Light Pro in the same US production line as our other products.
That's right, we're made here in the USA. We need your help to make this happen. Please support our Kickstarter if you want to help us build the Monkey Light Pro. There are significant costs for us to create production molds and purchase the needed parts. If we succeed here on Kickstarter, we'll be able to manufacture the Monkey Light Pro and light up the world.
I hope you enjoyed our video. Please support our project.